Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous. Stampendous has lots of empty bottles that will be a big help to artists and craft people. Let's take a look at the variety that you have to choose from. There's different sizes from 4 ounce to 2 ounce to 1 ounce options. And we've got 2 sizes of the spray applicator bottles, and those will each have a clear cap that helps seal the top and a plunger that is going to allow you to spray whatever surface. And the long tube here is going to be great for the large size bottle. And if you choose on the smaller size bottle, we give you the full length, but you may choose to clip it away at a shorter length if you like. The flip top has a nice seal and cap to it, and you can control the flow of your fluid through the little spout. The dauber top applicator has a cushioned surface to it, and when you first get it, you will press it down to click in the little piece that's inside, and that will allow the flow of liquid. I could just barely hear it when I pressed it down. Then we have 2 sizes of the needle tip applicator, and on this one you have a very fine spout that is going to go to very minute little opening, and you will have your option of taking your scissors and deciding where you want to clip it for a really tiny flow or a much wider one. And the little cap snaps back on. And then there's also the 1 ounce jar, and you can get a good seal on that as well. Another nice tip to know about all of our bottles is that the label can quickly be removed and doesn't leave any sticky residue, so that makes it very nice.